So, Maheen, there is so much to explore in the city of Sialkot, so we decide to stay a little longer here. Just places like this beautiful place at Marala.
That's right, Shahzad. There's so much to explore here. We talk about this place or the fields, agricultural lands, the industries, the manufacturing units, or the Allama Iqbal's residence. There's so much more to explore here.
Right. Let's explore.
Is a significant hydro-engineering project on the Chenab River near Sialkot in Punjab. It was built during the British colonial period in India as part of the Triple Canals project to irrigate vast areas of farmland in Punjab. The project was aimed to transfer water from Chenab River to the Upper Chenab Canal, which irrigated over 648,000 acres of farmland in the Gujranwala district, and to the Ravi River, where the Marala Headworks would irrigate the Montgomery and Multan districts. The Marala Headworks has undergone many modifications over the years and now serves as a flood control mechanism, water distribution hub, and wildlife sanctuary in Pakistan. The Triple Canals project, initiated in 1906, was one of the largest irrigation projects in British India, aimed to providing water to arid regions of Punjab. The Upper Chenab Canal was one of the 3 canals constructed for the project. The canal was opened in 1912 and completed by 1917 at rupees 37 million. The Marala Headwork was built as a weir to feed the Upper Chenab Canal. Later, a new Marala barrage was constructed in 1968 to feed the Marala Ravi Link Canal and the Upper Chenab Canal. The canal was constructed to transfer water from the Chenab River to Ravi River, which was then fed into the Marala Headworks. The Marala Ravi Link Canal is a significant waterway in Pakistani Punjab that serves multiple purposes, including the transfer of water from the Chenab to the Ravi River and the irrigation of about 60,000 hectares of land in the Sialkot and Gujranwala districts. The canal, constructed in 1956, is approximately 100 kilometers, about 62 miles long, and has a capacity of 22,000 cubic feet per second. The canal is an essential water source for agriculture and human consumption in the region.
Shahzad, we are 812 feet above sea level, and I'm so excited because this place is called Head Marala Barrage, and it is one of the largest in Asia, and it was built in colonial era.
Well, Maheen, let me share some of the technicalities with our audience as well. This is actually a barrage which has 66 gates and it's about approximately 12 feet deep. And right now we are walking on a wall. This is actually a wall, which was built in order to reduce the pressure of the water so the water won't hit the gate with a lot of pressure. This is just an amazing place. Another fact about this barrage is that there is a whole concrete bed underneath this water, reinforced by the metal. So, just to make sure it has the durability.
You're walking on River Chenab.
It's actually giving us the impression that we are in some sort of northern areas where we have clouds roaming around us and right on top of the water. See, this architecture style is the old style, which has the traditional British era lamps here. And this is just outstanding. We are actually once again walking on that particular wall where we saw the plantation in the part which is behind us. And right now, this is like a tile part, which is both sides we have water, and this is just amazing.
And you can say we can say that this is a mini island, Shahzad.
Exactly, because there's water around us.
And right behind me, if you can see a black line which is kind of merging in the horizon, this is Jammu and Kashmir.
That's right. This is Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. That's the border area right there. And this side here is the Gujarat city.
And to my left is district Sialkot. We are standing at a small town of Chawinda in Sialkot, and this small town is surrounded by rural landscape. We are standing at the Martyrs Monument right now, and this place is very important. This town, it has got historical significance.
That's right, Mahin. It played the vital role back in 1965 when India attacked on Pakistan from this sector, from Chawinda sector. At that time, India came up with hundreds of tanks and they decided to invade Pakistan. But once again, the brave son of soil, Pakistan army and the local people of Sialkot and Chawinda, what they did is they laid down underneath the tanks, Indian tanks, and they actually had explosive tied up with their bodies, and they blew up Indian tanks. This was the golden history which was written by the locals and the Pakistan army with their sacrifices, and I think this was the one of the largest tank battles in the world which took place after the World War II.
Wow, and that is why we salute the martyrs of Chawinda.
The Pakistani army successfully defended the town against a major Indian offensive, marking it as a symbol of resilience and strategic defense. The Battle of Chawinda, fought in September 1965, was part of the larger Battle of Sialkot, and it was pivotal to preventing the Indian forces from advancing deeper into Pakistan. The battle saw the use of hundreds of tanks on both sides, making it one of the largest tank engagements in military history. The victory in Chawinda is celebrated in Pakistan as a symbol of national pride and military success. It is situated near the border with India, making it a strategically important location. The town is surrounded by rural landscapes, with agriculture being a major part of the local economy. Its proximity to Sialkot city connects it to one of the Pakistan's key industrial and commercial hubs. Chawinda is a typical Punjabi town, with the local population engaged primarily in agriculture and small-scale trade. The people of Chawinda are known for their hospitality and strong cultural values, reflecting the traditional Punjabi lifestyle. Chawinda holds a special place in the national consciousness due to its historical significance.
So another major source of revenue in the city of Sialkot, just like many other cities of Punjab, it's the agriculture. We are standing in one of the rice fields right now.
Exactly, Shahzad, and you can see the fresh tubewell water here as well, which is used for, irrigating the lands here. And right when I was coming here, Shahzad, I was remembering the things that we have heard about Punjab's culture, like they say khet khalyan and makai ki roti and saag, things like that, and the fresh, clean and cold water.
As we step into the peaceful village life of Sialkot, we are immediately greeted by the vast green fields, the sound of birds chirping, and the warm, welcoming smiles of villagers. Life here is simple, yet rich with traditions and have been passed down for generations. From early morning, the rhythm of village begins with farmers heading to their fields, tending to crops, backbone of the village's economy, providing livelihood to many families here. The village of Sialkot is not just a place, it's a living example of resilience, simplicity, and a life filled with values. From sunrise to sunset, every moment in these villages tells a story of harmony, hard work, and togetherness. As we leave this beautiful place, we carry with us the essence of village life, something truly priceless in today's fast-paced world. Welcome to Heart of Sialkot, where tradition and craftsmanship come alive.
So once again, we're here in a manufacturing unit that is making jackets for bikers especially, and it is the export quality, of course.
Absolutely. So, mind, do you know that there are so many different sort of fabrics which are being used in order to make these jackets. For example, there are companies out there who are actually making them with the leather. But this particular unit that where we are standing at right now, their expertise are for this particular unit is the fabric jacket. And I have the CEO of this company, Mr. Salman, with me. Mr. Salman, could you please tell us something about the safety of these jackets, because these are for bikers, and also what are the steps taken in order to for them to be in this shape?
Basically, these products are specially designed for the riders. You know, when a biker is riding any bike, the safety is the utmost feature. Right. So a jacket, they need a jacket if they accidentally fell on the ground, their elbows, their shoulders, their body should be secure.
Right.
So we use the Cordura fabric, specially designed for these jackets. It has padding, specially imported from Italy, and all the special fabrication, they are imported one.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, basically what it is that from raw material, from the raw fabric till you see this right here, that it comes to this shape here, which is all 100%, and it's quite heavy. So you can tell there's a lot of safety features involved in it, because it's quite heavy. I mean, probably the weight is close to 2 kilograms, if I'm not wrong. So it's been manufactured here from A to Z. So the raw material, it comes in, and then every single thing that you see on this jacket, whether it's stitching, whether it's cutting, whether it's designing.
Meticulously designed and very perfect in shape, and they're telling us that it is customized and it is according to the customer's demand, how they make it, and sometimes even the customers tell them how to customize according to their preferences, of course.
That's right. So let's see some more steps of how they are being manufactured.
It's a historic center of trade known of its unique leather craftsmanship along with fabric and silk artisans. As we walk through it, the rhythmic sound of hammers hitting leather and fabric and the unmistakable scent of freshly tanned hides fill the air. The people here have perfected their craft over centuries, passing down to their knowledge from one generation to the next. It's not just about the story of their product, it's about the story behind them, the history, the families, and the dedication to craft. This place stands as a symbol of how tradition can coexist with modernity, maintaining its heritage while providing for the future. Walking through this facility is like stepping into a living museum of Pakistan's rich industrial history. Now we move to one of the Sialkot's most famous exports, the cricket bat. Sialkot is not just a hub of leather goods, but also home to some of the world's most renowned bat factories. This city is known globally as the producer of high-quality sports equipment, and the bat factories of Sialkot are the heart of it all. Sialkot's bat factories are where raw willow wood is transformed into finely crafted cricket bats. It's a fascinating process that begins with selecting the right wood, often imported from England or Kashmir. Skilled workers then handcraft each bat with care, ensuring that every piece is perfectly balanced for maximum performance. The precision involved in shaping the bat is truly remarkable. Each curve, handle, and edge is designed with the athlete in mind. What's even more impressive is the innovation happening in these factories while the tradition of bat making is preserved. Many manufacturers are using advanced techniques to make bats lighter, stronger, and more durable. Yet, despite the modernization, the heart of the process remains the same. Each bat is a result of careful craftsmanship, a blend of tradition and technology. From the selection of the wood to the final polish, every step in the production of these bats reflects a deep-rooted dedication to excellence. The bat factories of Sialkot are not just industries. They're places where passion for the game meets the skill of the artisan, producing cricket bats that are loved and trusted.